Hi, Stampin' Friends. This is Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. Have you seen the sneak peek for the November paper pumpkin kit? It is adorable. It's called Jolly Gingerbread and it makes 15 gift card carriers. And the theme for this particular box is gingerbread theme. I am so excited. It's adorable. So I'm actually, if you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is an all-inclusive crafting box. It includes a stamp set, a little ink spot, as well as all the supplies you need to make the project for the month. For this month, it is the gingerbread themed box for the gift card carriers. I am switching this up a little bit and I am making it into a workshop. So I wanted to share with you what that workshop looks like as well as how you can register for it. So the workshop will include the paper pumpkin kit for the Jolly Gingerbread. Now obviously this is not that kit, but just to give you an idea, it would include the full box for the November project. It will also include a gingerbread cookie that you can decorate with icing and sprinkles, and it will include the pre-cut supplies to make this really cute little gingerbread house. Now, I didn't add a whole lot of elements to this gingerbread house because I wanted you to take the extra supplies from your Jolly Gingerbread paper pumpkin kit and use it to decorate up this little gingerbread house to make it your own. So the box, actually, it is a little treat holder box that you can open and add a little treat inside. The cost of the Jolly Gingerbread Workshop is $34. If you need it mailed to you, there's an additional $8 for shipping. To register, just click on the link below and that will send you to a page to request the registration link, which I will email to you. Guys, I look forward to preparing one of these really fun gingerbread workshops for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, guys, we will talk to you later, and I hope that you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye, guys.